Here is the procedure to print a WMS GeoTIFF with ArcMap. First, click on the Add Data button. In the Lookin section, select GIS Servers, then choose Add WMS Server. In the URL box, paste the WMS link that you copied from the web portal. Click on Get Layers button from the Server Layers section. Click on OK. Select the server you just added and click Add. In the table of contents, check only the desired GeoTIFF. Switch to the Layout view. To set up your printing options, select Page and Print Setup under the File menu. Select the printer, paper size, and orientation desired. Don't forget to check Use Printer Paper Settings. Click OK. Reduce the border of the data frame to the desired size. To add the image of the legend that you downloaded from the web portal, choose Picture under the Insert menu. Navigate to the directory where you saved the image, select it, and click Add. Resize the image and place it in the printable area of the document. Zoom the map to the desired scale. To complete your map layout, you may add, for example, a title, or a scale. Print by selecting Print under the File menu.